Hey girlfriends, it's me, Naturally Sage. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any natural hair content. I created this channel to share my natural hair knowledge with you guys, as well as spread hair positivity and hair love, because I believe that all natural hair is good hair. No matter the texture, density, thickness, I believe that all natural hair is good hair, and you should too. So if y'all are interested in this tutorial on how I got this elongated ponytail, go ahead and just stay tuned. Hey y'all, okay, let's get into it. So first thing I'm gonna do here is just take my hair down. I have maybe 2 more days until wash day. So 2 days ago, I got in the shower. I just rinsed all the product out of my hair and detangled. No conditioner, no product, no anything. I just wanted to do this elongated ponytail really bad. So I was like, why not just like get my hair wet, get it detangled so I don't have to do that when I sit down. If you don't want to do this step, that's fine. I just found this step to be helpful for me so I can get my hair nice and detangled. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and make that ear to ear part. Because to create our ponytail, our elongated ponytail, we're going to need 2 ponytails. First thing that I'm going to do is just use a little bit of BioSilk to take these braids down and just make sure that my hair is nice and detangled. I did kind of cut some of the ends off my hair. I haven't trimmed my hair in a while, and I was like, why not? Because my hair is looking, it's giving mullet, and sometimes it's cute and sometimes it's just not. I feel like with every single stage of natural hair, it's like some styles are just super, super cute and others are just dreadful. Alrighty. Actually, it's giving. I don't want to detangle it because I don't want it to get volume right now. Like, I just want to see what it looks like in the ponytail like this. So let's take this out. Ooh, y'all. Why do I keep filming before work? I just want somebody to explain that phenomenon to me. I don't understand. So this is kind of what we're left with. So in order to properly slick your hair, even if you don't want an elongated ponytail, I would suggest giving yourself sections like this so you can kind of water. And don't worry if this part back here isn't perfect. We're not going to see it, so it doesn't matter. And I don't know why I'm choosing to wear this like bell sleeve situation, because this is not conducive to do my hair. But I got to get ready for work, so it doesn't matter. So what we are going to do here, I have 3 brushes that I'm going to be using. So first, it's this brush. This is our lovely detangling brush, super soft, minimize breakage, all that good stuff. And then we're gonna go in with this baby. Y'all, this isn't what I thought it was. This Cantu Denman brush, this has no give whatsoever. So I would never recommend using a brush with no give first. So this one is just gonna help me really get it down. And then this baby right here, this one's only going to be used on the top layer because the soft soft bristles are going to help us really get all smooth. So first we're going in with this one, just kind of taming her in. Super simple, right? And then I'm going to take my Eco Styler that I already have open. Okay. And this is how much I have on my hands. I would say it's a lot. This layer doesn't need too much smoothing, but I'm just going to make it nice and tight back there. So this is what we're looking like. I'm going to use a silk scrunchie to secure it. All right, first ponytail secured. That's the situation in the back. And then in the front, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab my BioSilk, take my braids down, and then I've got to decide if I want to have a middle part or a side part. The middle part has been my go-to for a while now, but you know, they say you always have to switch up your parts because you don't want to start experiencing like too much tension in one area, so we'll see. And if y'all have never heard of BioSilk, please check it out. I've never tried any of their other products like shampoo or anything, but this it's just called BioSilk Silk Therapy. I'll put the link in the description box below, but something about this is just, it makes your hair so soft, like softer than any oil that I've ever used. And just a side note, if you're a silk press girly or a blowout girl, this BioSilk Silk Therapy, whatever you want to call it, is a blessing. So in that short amount of time, I have decided that I do want a middle part. Ooh, that's not right. Well, maybe that was right. Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm going to have to do this in the mirror really quick. Okay, now we're going to go in with some water. And if you see buildup by my scalp, no, you didn't. Okay, and then when it comes to slicking down a middle part, I don't like it to look like this. I like it to have like, I don't know how to explain the shape that I'm trying to explain, but what I'm going to do is just give myself a little diagonal part here and twist this away because this section is going to get slicked last. We're going to go in with our blue brush. We're going to kind of go in this backward motion and then go in with my hard ass Denman brush. You see how that just added a little bit of sleek in there? And then I'm going to grab my gel. And give it everything. There we go. And then lastly, go in with my soft brush. Probably gonna end up with waves. As you can see, they're like already forming, but hey, that's life. Now we got that section back. Let's go on this side. And I like my hair to be a little bit wet for the gel part because I feel like it just helps me slick my hair better and products sink in better for me when my hair is wet. So there's that. One brush. Second brush. And gel. I don't know about you guys, but I am personally tired of listening to the natural hair community slander on my page. I just feel like with every different category of, sorry, I'm sure it's hard to take me seriously, but I just feel like with every niche of thing on the internet, there's always going to be an influx of information and there's always going to be things that you have to sift out. Why are y'all mad that people said something that wasn't true? That is literally what the internet is. Like, people are always so mad. Like, the natural hair community told me to do this. You did that. Don't blame it on somebody else. Take accountability for your actions, stupid. I always knew the eggs were not going to be good to put in my hair. Like, I don't understand. So maybe you need to look inward. Where's my other hair tie? I just don't do sleek styles that often because when it unslicks, I feel anger inside of me. I feel real anger. So, and it never lasts long. I can't really, like, a high puff is different, but my hair isn't high puffing. That's just one of the styles that I said, like I was talking about earlier, where I was like, it's just not as cute with my hair being so long, unless I want to do like a ton of definition ponytail, and I don't. Okay, this back part is not doing exactly what I want it to, but we don't have time to be worrying about small details. So let me grab my gel again to get these pieces in the front down, because you could leave these out if you wanted to, but it's not my thing because, important reason, I am doing a slicked style partially so my hair will get out of my face. So I don't want to leave these down. That's gonna flake later, that's fine. I use the green Eco Styler, and if you guys have a better, yes. See how like, so like if I put this in with a ponytail, it would be like this, which is fine, cute and all, but like this situation is so much better. I have these like Big Daddy bobby pins. These things are amazing. Alrighty, now this is my sleek elongated ponytail. Let me spray my ponytail with water and put some earrings in just to add a little razzle dazzle. Alrighty, okay, last step is optional, but I'm gonna be using this mousse to kind of really sleek everything down and get everything set, you know? I didn't know this trick for a long time, but this is a really good way to tame like some of the flyaways that kind of inevitably pop up because that's just life, having curly hair. But this is also a good way, like if you're trying to refresh a sleek style, really get my edges, because I don't plan on laying them or nothing exciting. Alrighty. Then I'm going to take my silk scarf, wrap it around nice and tight. And this is a side note. Oh, Lord. I didn't even realize I did that. But whenever I do styles like this and I use gel and mousse, mousse or whatever really close to my face, I always make sure that my skincare that night is like on point because my face just loves to break out over some hair products. Tie it right on my edges. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer, put it on medium to high heat, and just blast it. Oh Lord, one sec. Alrighty, let's take this scarf off. Yes, now that is what I'm talking about, okay? Because what? Okay, let me get my eyebrows straight so that it doesn't look so funny. Okay, yes, right? It's giving, isn't it? I love this situation. I feel like it looks like I have a little ponytail on. Now, to be honest, while I did love the idea of the braids in the detangling situation, because that made this part so much easier, I kind of want to try it with twists next time just because I like the way the twists form my curls a little bit better than braids. But Wow, okay. Oh. Me? Never. You'll never see me again. I don't know what I'm saying. Things are just happening. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I didn't mean to scream at y'all, but wow. Okay. I give it like 48 hours before we start seeing flakes. And who knows if I will be able to sleep like this or not, because maybe I might put a little makeup on, take some pictures for the gram. Because this is not a style you just like, don't take pictures then. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to wear the same outfit, whatever. Just either way, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Your girl just hit 10K, y'all. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh my God, today's the day. Like, instead of having 5, like I had 9, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Instead of having those numbers like that, it was just a 10 in the letter K. Y'all know how I feel about the letter K. It's important, okay? Okay, now I just have to get to 1,000 on YouTube. And I feel like my goals have peaked. I need to reevaluate, refocus, whatever, rebrand, all that good stuff. But anyway, I'm getting louder, even though I already apologized for yelling. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If y'all have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Sage.